Relax right here. Very good. Feel that movement in there?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Very good. Relax right in here for me. Nice. Very good movement. Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Very good. All right. Relax here for me. Very good. Relax here for me. Very good. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Let me have you lay face in the other way for me. Very good. Lay face up for me. This one you might feel it all the way through the low back. Very good. Definitely felt it in the upper neck, right?
Yeah, for sure. Good, you're doing fine. Yeah, you can feel all this tension here. Just let it go. Good. Okay. Just let it rest right here. Good. There we go. That was better. Yeah, there's a tremendous amount of tension over here. Yeah, right there. Okay, let it go. Good.
So, you guys have any ideas or suggestions, supports? We're still taking emails and questions on that. There we go. Boy, that was perfect. That they had like 110-degree Cobb angle scoliosis curve in their spine. Oh yeah. Just keep breathing, letting your shoulders relax. Let those go down all the way. Go ahead and drop them all the way down. There you go. Just like that. Perfect.
All right, deep breath for me. All the way out. Beautiful. Good. All the way out. Don't even wait for me. Perfect. All the way. Nice. That was very good. That was locked up.
Good. Good, nice.
Why don't you take a deep breath, blow it all the way out. Good, take another deep breath, all the way out. And one more time, blow it out. Okay, now take a deep breath. Fantastic. All right, one more time. Fantastic. Traction. Okay, here we go. Good. Fantastic.
All the way out. Beautiful. Perfect. Good.
Let this go. I'm going to adjust you in just a second here. You're doing fine. Good. This side's really tight.
Okay. Relax here for me. Very good. Excellent work. Okay. Very good. Relax right here for me. Very good.